Problem with cosmic inflation result. India sends a spacecraft around Mars and modified mosquitoes to fight dengue fever. This is your weekly science news with me, the UK astronaut. There seems there may be problems with the BICEP 2 result that's trying to look for signs of cosmic inflation. So the results came out a few months ago and there seem to be signs of cosmic inflation, and there was some idea that it would be evidence of gravitational waves, but there's a bit of a problem. It's the Planck satellite, which is also looking for the same kind of things, has come across a bit of a problem that suggests that the BICEP 2 results may actually be wrong. So BICEP 2 is trying to look for the signs of cosmic inflation, and it's trying to look for the polarization of background light in the universe. But the problem is this polarization can also be shown by dust in our very own galaxy. And this is what Planck has found. Planck has found there's a lot more dust in our galaxy than was expected. And this suggests that the BICEP 2 result may just be affected by dust more than the actual background radiation. And so the BICEP 2 result is a little bit more dodgy now, and it's not quite sure whether it's correct, but it still might be. There just needs to be more work done by BICEP 2 to remove some of these artifacts and the dust in our very own galaxy in the results, as hopefully they'll still find the same thing, but we'll have to keep an eye out. So India's joined the short list of countries that have an orbiting spacecraft around Mars. So only this week, the orbiter, the spacecraft, actually arrived at Mars after about 10 months of journey since it was launched. And it's going to be spending about 6 months here. And it's going to be looking at the atmosphere of Mars, it's going to be looking for methane and general kind of signs of life and sort of atmospheric things on Mars. Now, it's really an incredible mission because a lot of these Mars missions cost billions and billions of pounds, but actually this Indian mission has only cost 75 million, which is 75 million pounds, which is a really incredibly small price considering how much it costs for other people. And you're actually sending an orbiter to Mars is incredible that you can do it for such a small price. So scientists in Brazil found a new novel way of trying to fight against dengue fever. So they decided to try and fight it actually at the source, and because it's spread by mosquitoes, they're trying to do and affect something to mosquitoes to correct against the spreading of dengue fever. So the way in which they've done this is they've added a bacteria to some mosquitoes that basically slows down the spread of dengue fever within them. They've released all these mosquitoes out into the wild, and hopefully these mosquitoes will spread and they'll breed, and these new mosquitoes that are born will also have this bacteria and they'll also pass it on to other mosquitoes. And so what will happen is that the spread of dengue fever amongst mosquitoes will reduce down significantly, which will hopefully also reduce the spread among humans as well. And the really good thing is the bacteria doesn't affect humans in any way, just mosquitoes, so there doesn't seem to be any other bad side effects because of it. So that's your weekly news. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the rest of my videos, like, subscribe, really appreciate it. Check me out on Twitter at UKAstroNut. But thanks very much for watching. I will see you guys soon.